Hey guys, right now I just want to talk to you about the benchmark, the Gemini 1.0 Pro, the Ultra and 1.5 Pro, and what are the, like, which one is actually the best, because we can actually see the 1.5 Pro is excelling heavily here. So you can see right here 92.5%. Then with the multiple choice questions in 57 subjects, you're gonna have, like, for the one Ultra won it, but then you're gonna hear like grade school math problems. Also, Maj 1.5 Pro was winning here. The math pro learning across 5 levels of difficulty. Also 59.4%, 70 shot. Then 250 latest problems, including 100 AMC, etc. Again, 37%. Then you're gonna have the subset of harder tasks from Big Bench, 84%. So these like insane numbers. I just found it on Reddit and it blew my mind how amazing it is. Then yes, reading comprehension and arithmetic is better for the 9.0 Ultra, but is not the like difference comparing to the 1.5 Pro. Now again, the human eval chat preamble is better 1.5. The natural 2 code is better for the 1.5 Pro. The sentence level machine translation and multiple math reasoning are both for the better for 1.5 Pro. So I just want to show you this like benchmark that I found, and maybe it's going to find it beneficial, but this little bit blew my mind how amazing it is. So let me down below in the comments what do you think about it. And that's it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.